Hold up, who gon' hold us? Not the cemetery or the penitentiary. Damn, my contemporaries, I'm too legendary. It's so money. I got money. Money. I got money. I'm money.
So this is kind of a weird angle, but I don't have anyone to record for me right now, so bear with me. So this is the common area part of my suite. We put our names on the door, so that's my room over there. You see my name up there, and it's the same for this door because we did it for everyone because we wanted it to like match. Well, my mom did it, but you know, she also made this shirt. If you guys want any, you know, custom made, I'll put her Instagram. But yeah, so this side over here, as you can see, and then I'm gonna like switch where the camera is. But this is like the world map, and then it has 2 storage containers, and they're like, the containers are maroon, gray, and white. They match like, I chose colors for this room to match like the school theme because the furniture they give us is like maroon and stuff, so I didn't want it to clash. So like the rug is like a tannish color and matches like the table mats, and you're gonna see all of that when I like move the camera. But we have 2 storage container bit things. All of these containers that you see, they're there because I'm packing up to leave, so that's why they're usually not there. But yeah, and then it's a TV, and then we have a couch. So it says AAMU on the wall here, and we used to have lights up above that, but those have been taken down because we're moving out. And then there's a couch. The couch did not come with the pillows. I brought those myself. The table does not come with placemats. You have to get them yourself, and I'll give you a closer look at that too. But you do get these 2 brown tables. You get a circle table. We have 3 chairs, even though this room is made for 4 people. Some people don't even have 3 chairs, so it just depends on what you get. Like I said, you get a couch, but the blanket and the pillows were not provided. I brought those myself. The window does not come with curtains, but it comes with blinds. So I did the 2-tone curtain thing because I feel like it makes it feel more like a house-ish. It feels like a little apartment. But yeah, and then the rug. I highly recommend you get a rug. It will make it feel so much more like a home in here because the floors, it's like when you have plain walls and floors, it kind of feels prison-like. So I feel like decorating up with the rug and like stuff on the wall, curtains, it just kind of gives it more like a home feel, you know? Okay, the placemats have a little tan in it. Like I said, somebody's coming in the room, and she's starting a YouTube too.
Hi.
So if you see another dorm tour and you see this room, it's because this is my suite mate, duh. But this matches the rug because it got the little tan in it, so that's why my mom helped me like put the 2 together, you know? And that's like the little study nook. I haven't really been studying there this second semester. I've kind of been on my bed in the library, but first semester I used this corner a lot. Well, originally it was in the middle of the room, but we moved it around, and I like the way the room is now better. Okay, and I think that's pretty much it for the common area. There's still a kitchenette area, so we're gonna go to do that too, and then my room. But yeah. Okay, so this is the kitchenette area. Oops. I couldn't really get a good angle with my camera, so I'm gonna show you like the overall view, and then I'm gonna like come and walk through. But in general, you get a sink, and you get a microwave, and you get a mini fridge. You get 3 cabinets. It's 2 long ones and one short one. You do not get these. I brought these myself. Highly recommend for storage wise, because like snacks, containers, anything you need can go right there. A dish drain, you're gonna need a dish drain and a towel, preferably to like dry your dishes. But yeah, it's a plug right there. There's pretty much a lot of plugs in the room in general, so it's no problem trying to like plug stuff up. But I'm gonna show you guys like a closer look. There's also this closet in the common area. It's just like a shelf you can hang stuff up. We didn't really do that, but cleaning supplies are in here. That's pretty much all we did with this closet space. But you can use it more if you want. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Y'all have seen my bathroom before. It's not in its cleanest state right now, but we gotta move out, so I had to wrap up the process on this. So basically, this is my side. I have the whole Bath and Body Works right there. And right now it's a little messy, but it's just kind of like some soap. Blah, blah, blah. You get 2 sinks. You get the space under the sink. Pretty much, that's what it looks like. It's not much. I mean, it's good space, but it's just like, you need to bring your own containers, okay? You get a towel stand for you and your roommate. This is the bathroom area. It has its own light. We put this shelf thing in there ourselves. It's just a regular size shelf thing, and it fits perfectly in here. And you have the little plunger and scrubber, and then all the stuff you need in the bathroom. And then the shower, we put one of these in here as well, and we have a shower speaker. Yes, I highly recommend getting a shower speaker because it's amazing when you're taking your showers and the music is like, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so then basically it holds the shampoos, the soaps, the everything. Like, I highly recommend getting one of those too if you want to maximize your space with this dorm. All of those things totally come in handy. Okay, this is the bathroom. This is my side of the room. I just kind of wanted to give you an overall view before I started getting into like depth of like what is in here. But basically what you get in Foster is a desk, twin XL, a dresser, and a closet. I'm gonna insert a clip of my closet. So like I said, I'm packing, so some of my clothes are missing, and I used to have all my shoes down there. I'm gonna see if I can find the clip from before, but this is what the closet looks like. You get this space, and then you also have this drawer, which mine is full of hair because, you know, hair, duh. And then you get another one, which I just emptied out. But yeah, that's what the closet consists of. I put my own little hook to hang all my purses and stuff in there. Highly recommend doing that. Saved me a lot of space. And then you get the top area where right now it's like laundry stuff because I took everything out of the containers. But I kept like my extra towels and my extra soaps, extra lotions, like stuff like that up there. But it's like pretty spacious, so you could fit like 3-4 containers. Like, she has 4 up there. Hers are smaller, though. Okay. So, the layout of a desk is pretty standard. I have, like, books up here and, like, my vitamins. And then my little teddy bear and an M. And then there's a map back there. And then there's a clock that I have yet to use. Don't judge me. I won't judge you. And I have a printer. Did I say printer? Laptop. They have 3 things on the side. 2 of them are like normal size drawers. The other one's deeper, so you can fit more stuff in there. And oh yeah, this lamp, I really like it because you can turn it up and down. Can you even tell I'm turning it up and down? You can't. But it also changes tones, like the color of the tone. You really can't tell any of that in the camera, but that's good because, you know, you need different lights sometimes. And oh yeah, on the wall it's like lights, Christmas lights, and then I have a big M and like little things like be a little wild and be your own inspiration. And then there's like pictures of me. On this side of the room, this is my roommate's dresser, just in case you were wondering like where the other one was. It's right here. And this is like this cute little thing. Welcome to E405. And this little storage bin. This came in handy a lot. And then this is her side, but the mirror's on here. So the mirror's on this side and this bear. But that's pretty much it. Her side is identical to mine. So you can get a pretty good view of how like the room's laid out. It looks exactly like this over there. And that's pretty much it. It's also lights on this side, but they're just not on right now. Oh, and this cute little window. We got the curtains that match. And then I have a trunk right there. Don't forget to follow me on my social media and subscribe.